As an outdoorsman, I can't compromise on clothing and equipment. What I wear has to work in cold, wind, and moisture. These Lopapeysa sweaters and garments from Savina's workshop are made from premium Icelandic sheep wool following traditional Icelandic knitting methods. The quality is outstanding. Each piece takes many hours of hand knitting, and you can feel that level of work and attention in the final garment. This sweater that I'm wearing was a gift from my friend and the owner, Savina. No review was requested, but I was genuinely impressed by the quality and warmth, and that's why I chose to share this with you. I tested it outdoors in real conditions, including sub-zero temperatures and around the fire. It keeps me genuinely warm and performs exactly as it should. I'm grateful for this gift, and I was honestly impressed by how well it works.